Still with y'all boys, we back with another banger, man. We about to POV drive in my Catless Dodge Charger RT, man. You all good? We'll start. Alright, y'all boys, yeah, this is gonna be like a little rainy, a little like midday / nighttime POV. And I'm gonna really try not to talk too much, but it be hard, like, bro, like if y'all could just hear what the fuck I hear, I'm gonna crack my window a little bit. Like, bro, y'all hear that? And I wasn't even like, y'all see I'm not even going. Like, you see I'm not even going fast, bro. And it just, shit just sound like that. I don't know, I might down there leave the window crack like most of the video, because I have found that like when I leave the window open, how you could hear the sound. It just sounds so good. Like, bro, when I let off the throttle, that shit just sounds fucking amazing, bro. Like, I don't know. Like, that sound right there. Yeah, bro. And then, like, I didn't even get to this last video, but like, people talk about the smell. I promise you, it don't really smell like that bad. Like, bro, it's like, I can't smell shit right now, honestly. I don't even know where we finna go. I'm probably just gonna end up driving. Like, bro, like most of my POV drives, I damn near be taking the same route. Cause like, I take the route with the least police, the motherfucking, like, I don't know, bro. The smoothest roads. Like, I be trying to take all the best routes. I low-key should've went. I had some cars coming, but. Definitely just have to get y'all some little manual pulls in, man. I'll get y'all some more with the window up so y'all could hear like what the car sound like in manual, but like inside of the cabinet though. Look, that old nigga was just looking. But I'm gonna drive in manual later with the window up so y'all could hear like what it sound like inside of the, you know what I'm saying, the actual car. My shit, I keep my shit clean though. I ain't gonna lie, like, bro. My shit had got real dirty at one point in time. Like, not even real dirty, bro. I had wasted a whole fucking plant in my backseat, bro. Like, that shit was irritating as hell. Like, it was a whole plant, like a pot, bro. Like a fucking pot spilled in the backseat. That shit sound insane. Hey, stop that big motherfucker. The FedEx dude ain't want to stop that bitch. Nah, this shit sound crazy though, man. Good little rainy POV. Hey, y'all boys subscribe, bro. Please subscribe, bro. Like, no way. I checked my shit, bro. It was like 92% was unsubscribed. Like, that shit crazy. Like, granted, like, of course, obviously I'm a smaller channel, but damn, bro, 92% is crazy. But y'all was fucking with the vid though. That's the thing, y'all was fucking with the vid. I was getting comments, likes, all kind of shit. Like, Man, just subscribe though. Hit that little red button next time, you know what I'm saying? Let the window down again. We in traffic too. But I should have got that old nigga face on camera. Y'all in manual with the window up real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to talk too much though, bro. It's like, you know what I'm saying, I be chilling, I be talking to y'all niggas, bro. Shit, I feel like we be vibing, ain't it? Bro, hold on, I gotta remember how I was doing this. Was I doing it? Hold on, I was doing it like this. Take that bitch out of me, I will forget. Bro, also, y'all could, what's it called? Follow me on Instagram too. Like, I ain't gonna lie, a couple of y'all definitely done tapped in on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? But in the comments though, definitely let me know, like, what else y'all want to see? Like I told you, I got one more thing up my sleeve. And then after that, I'm gonna damn near probably be out of ideas. Like, but I do got one thing up my sleeve. Tapped in to my POV drives, bro, and it seemed like I'm taking the same route every time, bro. My city got 3 good streets, my nigga, and this one of them. Like, no cap, it's 3 good streets in this bitch. So yeah, I don't know, man. Like I keep telling y'all, like, I know y'all tired of hearing this shit, bro. Subscribe. While we at this red light, matter of fact, while we at this red light, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Ain't nothing going on right now. Ain't nothing stopping you from subscribing to my channel right now. Go ahead and hit that red button, you know what I'm saying? The little button, say subscribe, my nigga. All right, I appreciate it. If you ain't pressed that button, my nigga, you gonna have bad luck all 2024. Damn, bro, y'all hear that? All right, now niggas going OD slow. Then people be looking all like, my window, these windows is not tinted, but people be looking all in here like, what the fuck? All right, hold on, they trying to pull up next to me. But people be looking all in this bitch though. I don't got no tint on the windows. It ain't fishbowl, but shit, this bitch not, like, definitely not super tinted. It's not like my other Charger. I speak on that bitch so much. I low-key missed that. That bitch had stars in the ceiling. This bitch don't got no stars. It's like I want to do that again, but I just feel like it's more, I don't know. I feel like this one more like, I don't know. I'm gonna end up doing it eventually, but can't say for sure when. But bro, if you all right, my fault, y'all. But if you on the fence about doing the cat delete, I would say do that shit, bro. Like, the pros outweigh the cons, bro. What's the cons? The smell. The smell. I didn't even get a code from the cat delete. My code is still from my pressure sensor, my oil pressure sensor. So I didn't get a code from it. So I don't know. I'm saying I don't know if it take a while to get the code, but I haven't got a code from it just yet, at least. So if you on the fence about it, I say do it. Oh, here go a little tunnel. Little tunnel. Fuck. That was crazy. That was crazy. This is where I ended my last POV at. But I'm gonna go through like, cause where we at right now? The fuck you think this shit louder? This shit not louder than mine. That shit quiet as hell, twin. No, I'm just playing, but I'm gonna go through like this city a little bit. Like, this a whole different city, literally, y'all know. It's like the suburbs of my city. But yeah, I'm gonna drive through here a little bit. Now I will say, dude, the boys do be out here, so we ain't gonna be tripping, my nigga. If you wanna see me tripping, you go ahead, click off the video. Cause nigga, I'm not getting no more tickets. That shit is dead, bro. Bro, I just paid a $300 ticket, bro. Like, no cap. I'm not getting no more tickets. That shit, it's a wrap for that shit, bro. Nigga, I damn near drive 10 and 2 out here. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Look, he a little big boy right there. I never had that shit. Is that good, yo? Like, I never had that shit in my life. But yeah, I don't really too much drive through this little area, man. Heavy police presence. Like, real shit, I might get pulled over, bro. And I got bad luck. Nothing good ever happened in gambling. I got pulled over twice out here, and I got into a car accident out here. Yeah, bro, nothing good ever happens to me out here, bro. Like, real shit. Man, you hear the Burbles still, man. You definitely can still hear the Burbles. But don't worry. Pretty soon, you'll be able to really hear them bitches. I definitely just gave y'all niggas a hint, man, to my next vid. Not next vid, but next big mod. Cause I think my absolute next mod, I'm about to put the SRTA bumper on here, cause the one I got, it do got a crack, but it's like shit. Say, like, crazy enough, cat delete, it do burn more gas, just so y'all know. So I mean, honestly, at this point, bro, the gas, it is what it is. Like, honestly, like, I really could give 2 fucks now. Like, I really don't care no more. But yeah, man, we probably gonna end this vid off pretty soon here, man. I'll roll the window down again, give y'all like one more good little pull and shit. But yeah, man, like the vid, comment what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Like, what different mods y'all want to see. Definitely hit that red subscribe button, my nigga. And shit. But no, hit that subscribe button, though, and I'm out.